Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do this quick unboxing. So I traveled to Paris last week. I was in Paris for about 10 days and it was such a great experience. It was my first time there, and I was able to make a quick stops at some of the shops. So first up, so of course I went to the flagship store at Dior, and the one thing that I did before I came to Paris is I went and I made a list. You don't even want to see my list of all the things that I wanted to buy in Paris. And then when I get here, they either didn't have my size or they didn't have what I really wanted. So I end up just kind of getting things that kind of been on my list for a while that I just haven't pulled the trigger, or they didn't have it in America. So that belt, the Dior belt, that's been around for a while. I just haven't really purchased it. So it was awesome that they had my size. Then after I went there, I went to Gucci. In Gucci, I just wanted a credit card holder. And they did have the little card holder that I got. That will go good with my little bag that I have. So I just wanted to be matchy. Then also when I was in there, I actually wanted to get the Diana bamboo tote bag. However, they didn't have the one that I wanted. I wanted the one with the the large G's and with the brown little ribbon, but they didn't have the ones with the brown ribbon. They had the ones with the colored, and I didn't want that. So I just ended up getting this little small key holder, little pouch. I'm like, this is gonna be really good, just for storage and things like that. So after Gucci, I walked on up to Saint Laurent, and in Saint Laurent, I only had one thing on my list. It was just a belt, but when we went in, the lady told me, she had something with, I had a lot of jewelry on, and she was like, I have a bracelet that will go good with your jewelry. And so it was just this YSL little charm bracelet. I was like, oh, that's really cute. And I think it was $195, sorry, 195 euro. But yeah, so I ended up getting that. And then she had the belt for me that was in my size as well. For some reason, all my belts have gold hardware. None of them had silver. So I just kind of wanted a subtle silver belt. So I ended up getting this one, just a little fine belt for when I wear certain things. So this was perfect. And then after I went to Saint Laurent, I went to other places. I went to Givenchy. I wanted a tote bag out of there. They didn't have it. So there was a lot of places that I went to that they didn't have. So I ended up going back to the Dior store because there was this Dior store around the corner. And so I just ended up purchases a shirt there, which, I mean, everybody has the Dior shirt. I mean, I have it in black as well. So I was just I just wanted to get the white one because the other shirts I just didn't really like. This was I think 640 euro, I believe. I'll put the prices down at the bottom because I don't remember. I wanted to have a Lady Dior. That was on my list to purchase. However, when I walked into this Dior, this tote bag was the first thing that I saw, and I was just this is probably more up my speed, just because I don't really go anywhere, so I will use the tote bag more than I'll use anything else. So I was just yeah. So I really do like the design. I love the color, and then also I got my name on the back. The one thing that's really cool is that being able, because I was in Paris, they did my name the same day and it was free of charge, versus in America they charge you $250 and they keep your bag for 6 weeks. So but yeah, so that was my trip in a whole. I had a great time. Planning on going back soon, so hopefully you guys enjoyed and have a great weekend. Thanks, bye.